Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. So first, what we need to do right here is simply make sure that we have the USDT token added, specifically the Tether. So to add that, you simply need to go scroll down right here. If you're here, you scroll down and tap on add tokens, and you want to search USDT, specifically the Tether. Right there, it says Tether right there, ERC20, or you can also go for TRC20 if you want. And you want to enable it. After it has been enabled, you can go back now and you can see the USD tokens right here. So what you want to do is simply click on it or tap, and you want to tap on buy USDT right there, and you can input how much you want to buy. And let's say we want 50, and it says right here, it says that $50 minimum purchase, so you can purchase only at a minimum 50 and above. So you wanna, let's say you want 50 right there, and you wanna go next. Or you could, by the way, you could also change your provider right here. You could go for Binance Connect, and so much more right there. So as you can see, Binance P2P has the best rate, so I'm gonna be choosing that. So let's go now next after it has been settled. And in here, all you have to do is simply go and register or log in your Binance account right here. And as you can see, it says amount should be between 70 to 100 to 1,700,000 pesos. It depends on your currency, but for me it's this one, so let's just go 100 right there. And you wanna go and continue and go to Binance P2P, and in here, let's just wait, let's just accept right there, and it's loading. And as you can see, you can already see right here. So if you want to adjust this again to this USDT into 50, then you can just do that right there. So 50 USDT will be equivalent to this amount in pesos in my country. So it depends on the currency that you want right here. So you just want to modify it, and after that you want to tap on buy USDT. And after this, you want to sign up or log in into your Binance account. And after that, you'll just be providing your card details so that you could pay for your USDT, and that's basically it. That is how you buy USDT on Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.